Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay June 14, 2026 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayon June 14, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, June 14, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 14, 2026 Sunday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, June 14, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of June 14, 2026 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.